In this video, we're given 3 sine x plus cosine y equals 8 sine x cosine y. Let's subtract both sides by 8 sine x cosine y. And so we have our function that depends on x and y equals 3 sine x plus cosine y minus 8 sine x cosine y. And now we can use the formula that says that dy over dx is equal to negative partial of f with respect to x over partial of f with respect to y. So to find the partial of f with respect to x, we take the derivative with respect to x, and we end up getting 3 cosine x minus 8 cosine x cosine y. And now we need to take the partial of f with respect to y. So that's just going to be negative sine y plus 8 sine x sine y. So we can factor out a sine y from both terms and have 8 sine x minus 1 in parentheses. So now to find dy over dx, we're just going to do negative and then cosine x times 3 minus 8 cosine y over sine y times 8 sine x minus 1. And so if you want, you can leave this as your final answer, or you can distribute the negative inside the parentheses. So the 3 turns into negative 3, and the negative 8 cosine y turns into positive 8 cosine y. And so this is another way to write the answer.